my concern is really my life, my security.
Sir Teves, you mentioned earlier na you know na darating din naman yung punto na haharapin mo rin itong mga kaso. Why did it take you so long to stay in Timor-Leste? Bakit hindi na lang po natin hinarap ito sa korte?
A lot of you here know me ever since my days in Congress. I'm a very honest and sincere person. I will be very consistent. Even our pleadings in court, I had not had, even now, still have, but of course, here I feel safer with the NBI because pasalamat ako kay Director at sa lahat ng staff ng NBI na maganda yung pagtrato nila sa akin mula nung pagkuha sa akin hanggang ngayon. So, my concern is really my life, my security.